Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel once again with another new topic. So, before starting the video, I would like to request you to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you, and let's move on to our today's video. So, our first question is cytology is study of your options A individual cells, option B tissue fragments, option C A and B, option D none. So, your correct answer is option C, A and B, that is individual cells and tissue fragments. So, our next question, for cytology commonly used stains are option A Papa-Nicolau stain, option B May Grunwald's Giemsa, that is MGG stain, option C A and B, and option C D none. So your correct answer is option A and option B, that is Papa-Nicolau stain, which is we also called as Pap stain, and May Grunwald's Giemsa, that is MGG stain, is commonly used cytological stains. Okay, so our next question, that is third question. For fine needle aspirations and thick cellular discharges or fluids, no centrifugation is required, while relatively watery, thin and hypocellular fluid smear is prepared from. So your options A centrifuge sediments, option B centrifuge supernatant, option C none, and option C both of the above. So here we are using option A, that is centrifuged sediments. Okay, so moving on to our next question, that is fourth questions. Smears should be prepared and fixed immediately for cytology because option A exfoliated cells degenerate rapidly, option B exfoliated cells may be blown away, option C the nuclei of the cells get extruded from the cells, option D cytoplasm develops granularity. Why we are actually fixing the cytological specimens immediately, the smears we are fixing immediately, because here the exfoliated cells will be degenerated rapidly. That's why we have to fix the smear as soon as possible. So moving on to our fifth question, body fluids and watery exudates. Watery exudates examples urine, spinal fluid, pleural fluid, etc. will not adhere to the glass slides. First, it has to be coated with a layer of what? Option A Mayer's egg albumin, option B yolk of the egg, option C glycerin, option D all of the above. So here the option is Mayer's egg albumin, that is option A. First we have to coat the layer of the glass with Mayer's egg albumin, then we have to add the body fluids. Okay, moving on to our next question, that is sixth question. If unstained slides are to be mailed, they must be placed in the fixative for at least option A 5 minutes, option B 2 hours, option C 1 hour, option D 1 day. So your correct answer is option B 2 hours, they have to be placed in a fixative. Okay, so our next, that is seventh question. For fluid cytology, fluid has to be collected in option A EDTA, option B sodium citrate, option C plain, and option D none. For fluid cytology, fluid should be always collected in a EDTA. Okay, EDTA, that's because we are using plasma there, that's why we have to collect in a EDTA vacutainer. Okay, now moving on to our next question, that is eighth question. Smear for cytology stain by Harris hematoxylin nuclei appear. Option A blue with clear sharp details, option B cytoplasm varying shades of pink, blue, yellow, green and grey, option B A and B, option C A and B, and option D none of the above. So here the option is A and B. Okay, now moving on to our ninth question. What are the techniques of fine needle aspiration biopsy? For fine needle aspiration biopsy, we are also calling it as what? FNAC, that is fine needle aspiration cytology. Okay, so here we are using different kinds of techniques. So what are they? Your option 1, needle with the lymph node. Option B, retraction of the piston of the syringe in order to create negative pressure in barrel of the syringe. Option C, movement of needle into 2 to 3 direction or planes. Option D, release of piston and withdraw of the needle. And option E, all the above. So option E, that is all the above, these are all the kinds of techniques, that is all the above the techniques are right for the fine needle aspiration biopsy. Okay, so our next, that is 10th question. Aspiration cytology of intrathoracic masses is performed to diagnose peripheral lung lesions which are not accessible by option A, bronchoscope. Option B, which do not disquamate into bronchial tree. Option C, A and B. And option D, none. So the right answer is option A and B, that is bronchoscope and also which do not disquamate into the bronchial tree. So option C, A and B is the right answer. Okay friends. So our 11th question is, aspiration cytology of intrathoracic masses is usually carried out around the table under A, television fluoroscopy, B, ultrasound guidance, C, CT guidance, that is computed tomography guidance, and that is D, all the above. So your option is all the above. Okay, moving on to our 12th question. Aspiration cytology of intrathoracic masses, local anesthesia is done up to option A, pleural. Option B, chest wall. Option C, skin. And option D, periosteum. So your correct answer is option A, pleural. Now moving on to our 13th question. The usual internal diameter of the needle in cytology of the intrathoracic masses is, usually we are seeing diameter of a needle in the cytological study friends. So option A, 0.8 to 0.12 mm. Option B, 0.6 to 0.7 mm. Option C, 0.1 to 0.2 mm. And option D, 0.4 to 0.9 mm. So your right answer is, we are using here 0.6 to 0.7 mm of the diameter of the needle in cytology of the intrathoracic masses. Okay, so moving on to our 14th question. The entire procedure of inserting the needle and aspirating the lesion in cytology of intrathoracic masses should not take more than option A, 2 minutes, option B, 5 minutes, option C, 20 seconds, and option D, 45 seconds. So your right answer is option C, 20 seconds. So it should not be aspirated more than 20 seconds. Okay, moving on to our 15th question. After the aspiration of cytology of intrathoracic masses, the patient needs to kept under observation about 2 hours so as to detect complications like what? Option A, bleeding. Option B, pneumothorax. Option C, A and B. And option D, none. So after the process of aspiration cytology in intrathoracic masses, we have to keep the patient under the observation because they may bleed, they may cause the pneumothorax. So your option is option C, A and B, that is bleeding and also with for pneumothorax. Okay, moving on to our 16th question. For aspiration of liver, 8 to 16 centimeter needle is used with external diameter of what? Okay, option A, 0.6 mm, that is 22 gauge. Option B, 0.3 mm, that is 26 gauge. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. So here we are using 0.6 mm, that is 22 gauge of needle with external diameter. Okay friends. So our 17th question. Prothrombin time is estimated before option A, liver aspiration. Option B, intrathoracic masses aspiration. Option C, A and B. Option D, none. So before liver aspiration, that is option A, liver aspiration is the right answer. So before prothrombin time we are doing before the liver aspiration. Okay, now moving on to our 18th question. In liver aspiration, the ideal transcostal area for entry of the needle is Okay. Option A, ninth intercostal space in mid axillary line. Seventh, option B, seventh intercostal space in mid axillary line. Option C, fifth intercostal space in mid axillary line. Option D, subcostal region. So your right answer is option A, that is ninth intercostal space in mid axillary line. So our 19th question is, when the liver is enlarged, particularly when the tumor mass is palpable, aspiration can be carried out in the option A, subcostal region. Option B, ninth intercostal space in mid axillary line. Option C, seventh intercostal space in mid axillary line. And option D, none. So your correct answer is option A, that is subcostal region. So moving on to our 20th question. Okay friends, so the father of cytology, who is the father of cytology? Your option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, George Papanicolaou. Option C, Robert Koch. And option D, none of the above. So friends, here your right answer is option B, George Papanicolaou. Okay, so these are the 20 more important types of cytological MCQs for your prometric. Hope you like it. Thank you.